Welcome, benefit seekers. Today we're kicking off a crucial series on medications, a topic that plays a pivotal role in our well-being. In this first installment, we'll embark on a journey through the fundamentals of medications. Whether you're navigating prescriptions, over-the-counter remedies, or simply curious about the science behind them, this series is your go-to guide. Have you ever wondered how to start meditating? In this fast-paced world where stress and anxiety are common, meditation can be a sanctuary. It helps calm the mind, relax the body, and foster inner peace. But starting can sometimes feel intimidating. So here's a simple guide to help you embark on this journey of self-discovery and wellness. Meditation can take many forms, but a great starting point is mindfulness meditation. This form of meditation encourages the practitioner to observe wandering thoughts as they drift through the mind. To start, find a quiet space where you can focus. You might prefer to sit or lie down. Just make sure you're comfortable. Close your eyes or keep them half open, whatever feels best for you. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air filling your lungs and then leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Now, if you find it challenging to meditate on your own, don't worry. Guided meditations are here to help. These are available online or through apps and offer step-by-step instructions. They can help you maintain your focus and guide your thought process. Next, we have body scan meditation. This technique involves focusing on different parts of your body, one at a time. Start at one end of your body, like your toes, and slowly move your focus up. Notice the sensations in each part of your body as you go along. Remember, the goal is not to judge or change these sensations, but to observe them. Mantra meditation is another effective technique. In this practice, you silently repeat a calming word or phrase known as a mantra. This repetition can help quiet the mind and maintain focus. Your mantra can be anything that resonates with you. It can be a word like peace, a phrase like I'm calm, or anything else that helps you relax. Lastly, don't think that meditation requires you to sit still. Walking meditation is a form of meditation in action. In this practice, you walk in a relaxed, mindful manner, paying attention to your steps, your breath, and your surroundings. It's a wonderful way to bring mindful awareness into your everyday life. So to summarize, starting to meditate can be as simple as focusing on your breath in a quiet space. If you need guidance, try a guided meditation. To connect with your body, try a body scan meditation. If you prefer repetition to maintain focus, a mantra meditation can be beneficial. And remember, meditation isn't limited to sitting still. You can also practice it while walking. Remember, there's no right way to meditate. The best approach is the one that suits you. So explore these techniques, find what resonates with you, and embark on your journey towards inner peace and mindfulness. But wait, there's more. We're not done exploring the world of medications. Please be patient as we prepare for the release of part 2, where we'll dive even deeper into essential topics. Please like, share, and subscribe to our Benefit Blend.